Hi everyone, we are beginning of April and this is at the front of my house. I have a little porch that is closed off by, this is plastic, just one layer, and then here is plexiglass. It's quite warm in here, lots of light, and I am trying for the first time. These are, that's lettuce. I've done one container that I'm going to keep here outside, and I have one container inside with all the other seedlings. We'll see which one grows, doesn't grow, because I'm thinking of using this. It's big enough that I could put more plants in here, so I could use it as oops, forgot the word, outside house for plants. I'll remember the word eventually. So it could just add to my gardening. So I'm trying. You gotta try different things, see what works for you. So here we are. We'll see how it grows.